Oh. Good morning, y'all. We are back here at the horse training facility, and we are going to have some more fun with the horses. Look at this horse. Oh, man, he's bucking. Hello, buddy. Hello. Good morning. Hello. Hello. What's he saying?
Что он говорит?
Что он говорит?
Interesting.
Интересно все.
Hello. Like he's not sure what to think, huh? Alrighty, we're gonna camp here in the stable with the horse.
Хоми. Ать, кто такой красивый?
I'm not sticking around for that. Hell no. Why?
That horse is freaking wild. Wild animals, you know? You gotta be careful.
Хоми, сделай красивую свечку. Хоми.
Whoa!
Молодец. Еще. Еще. Нельзя ложиться. Нельзя ложиться. И давай ложиться. Давай. Свеча. Хоми. Свеча. Свеча. Давай. Ай, браво. А еще. Еще. Хоми. Ай, браво, моя красота. Да ты красивая. Еще красивее.
That's freaking nuts.
Еще красивее.
Okay, now the horse is rolling around in the ground like a dog. What the heck?
Сейчас еще после того, как встанет, тоже
This is hilarious.
подходит.
Wild. Look at that. Bravo, bravo. Come on. doesn't want to go. What's the magic word? Hey, you don't like this. Hey, relax. Come on.
Oh. Oh.
I don't know what dislocating a shoulder feels like, but this is it, maybe. I was holding onto the rope when he went up, and my arm popped in like a completely weird direction. Ooh. Fuck. This is why I'm scared of big ass animals. Oh, frick, it hurts. It like. Have you ever dislocated a shoulder?
Once again?
Have you ever dislocated a shoulder?
No.
No?
No.
Oof. Hello? Okay, maybe better you bring the horse around.
Oh, okay.
I stay with the car because it behaves better. That horse tried to rip my arm off. It like jumped up in the air and like popped my arm in a very awkward way. Woo. Arm is freaking hurting. That's scary. That's scary. Those damn animals. These are huge.
Me too.
And this is only a horse. Imagine when I get to Africa where there's like freaking giraffes and elephants and stuff in this thing. Ooh, he's huge. This horse going wild. So look, they sent the whole comrade army. That's pretty funny. I don't know if it's like Boy Scouts or what that is. That guy's trying to give discipline to all of the future soldiers there, and they're all looking at the car like, oh. This is like a... I wonder if this is like future soldiers of Russia or Boy Scouts. It's a pretty horse. Despite the fact that it tried to rip my shoulder off. Today we're gonna be doing here a little bit of work on the range. We gotta feed the horses. They hungry. So gloves up. We've made some room here in the back of the old Lambo truck. They load her up. these is I'm highly allergic to hay. This is a big freaking mess this is gonna be. Oh yeah, look at that mess. Yep. We into it. We into it big now. Go feed the horse. Seriously though, I am allergic to
Really?
I think this horse is hungry. Even though it tried to rip my shoulder off. This horse tried to kill me today, you know? He wants to kill me. Okay, so now we have to integrate the horse with the hay.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, blow it everywhere. Thank you. My car's a complete mess now. Oh, he's literally blowing the hay entirely everywhere in the car. Just eat the shit. Don't blow it around. Come on, bro. What's wrong with you?
Да, молодец, молодец.
He doesn't want it. Look at his stance.
Чуть-чуть поближе подойди. Ай, браво. Иди еще.
Maybe I have to pull it.
Не голодный, не самый голодный лошадь.
He's trying to get me.
No, no, you.
What's up with that?
He's just trying to escape.
Trying to feed you, guy. Can you?
Ай, молодец. На, на, на,
Okay, maybe pull him back
Yeah.
a little bit and let me
Yeah.
move the bale.
Uh,
Yeah, she pulled the bale. Yeah. Like this.
Oh,
Только далеко.
that's way better.
Да, молодец. Иди еще возьми. Иди еще возьми.
What happened?
Страшно, страшно. Иди, бери, Я говорю, он не самый голодный.
Look, he's
просто.
trying to get me. The horse is trying to get me. I'm telling you. He's after me now.
Конь, ешь.
Говорит, а я чем занимаюсь?
Иди еще подойди. Может быть, сюда ему подостать вот здесь, а я его подстрахую вот так. Потому что он так... Что, покажи ему.
Не, ну смотри, он будет есть.
Или с той стороны иди поснимай. Откуда надо снимать?
Отсюда. С водительской двери.
Ну, а Конор, может, сюда подойдет?
А,
Может быть, на эту сторону, сюда? Так, ну что, у нас не так много времени. Если мы хотим верхом, я тут доносить не буду.
Well, I didn't think it was gonna make so much of a mess, but holy moly. Holy hay. Holy horse. Horsey hay. Look at this. It is a mess. This sucker makes a mess. Time to clean up the mess behind the scenes. It's clogging very easily. Why don't we just get a horse to come suck it up? Following the horse. she doing that on purpose, or that horse is just going wild? She's doing that.
She's...
That's wild.
Let's go!
Horsepower, and somehow that thing keeps up. I still prefer this. Alright y'all, thanks for watching today's video. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button down below. And a surprise, you get to see a nice beautiful sunset.